How to change your profile picture in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Windows 11. Changing user profile picture in Windows 11 adds a personal touch to your user experience and helps to personalize your device. So let's start the video. To change profile picture in Windows 11, on your system, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Accounts tab in the left side panel. Now, click on Your Info. You can see currently there is no profile picture. Here you can access settings related to your user account. In Adjust Your Photo section, you have two options. Click on Open Camera to take a photo using the webcam. Or click on Browse File to choose a file from your computer to set it as a new user profile picture on Windows 11. Now click on Browse Files option. Choose Picture. It's updating. As you can see, the user profile picture has been changed. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.